You didn't lose time, you lived it. You didn't waste those years, you endured them. You grew in places you didn't even know were broken. You survived things before you had the tools to heal from them. That wasn't wasted time, that was preparation. That was becoming. Everything you went through taught you something that you couldn't have learned any other way. You didn't fall behind, you laid a foundation. Now build from it. Anyways, y'all wanna rate donuts? Where does chocolate rate? I think I go vanilla cake, chocolate frosting at 1. Go ahead and comment your favorite donut. This one's hard to beat. This is like fresh.